Hi everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix the issue where the Wi-Fi option is not showing in Windows 10. Let's get started. First, press Windows +X, select Device Manager, and expand Network Adapters. If you see the wireless adapter disabled, right-click it and select Enable Device. Next, press Windows +I to open Settings. Go to Update and Security, Troubleshoot, Additional Troubleshooters. Click on Internet Connections and select Run the Troubleshooter. If that doesn't work, reinstall the Wi-Fi driver. In Device Manager, right-click your wireless adapter and choose Uninstall Device. Restart your computer and Windows will automatically reinstall the driver. You can also update the Wi-Fi driver. Right-click the adapter again, select Update Driver, and choose Search automatically for updated driver software. If there's a newer version, Windows will install it. Finally, check Network Services. Press Windows +R, type Services, MSC, and hit Enter. Make sure WLAN Auto-Configure and Network Connections are set to Automatic and Running. If not, right-click, go to Properties, set Startup Type to Automatic, then click Start, and that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in next one.